to Megan's Cooking. Today I'm going to show you another Thai dish that's one of my favorites. It's called Prik. It's more like a curry stir-fried chicken with green beans. I don't know if you remember, I posted one of the places I went to, a Thai place, that I had the dish and I love it. So I finally looked up the recipe and I got it. So today I'm going to give it a try. So for this whole dish, we only have 3 ingredients, which is the important part is the curry, the green beans, and the palm sugar. These are the main ingredients, and then of course we're going to use chicken. I have a pound of chicken breast, and I'm going to start sear the chicken first, okay? First off, I'm going to pour in maybe a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. We're going to sear brown a little bit, then we're going to put it aside and then cook the next steps. So I'm going to start searing the chicken. I'm not going to touch it yet. I'm going to let it sit for a minute until it's golden brown one side. I try to look up the definition of Prik or the translation. It said stir fry and then curry and then ginger. You're going to say ginger, but this dish has no ginger in it, so I'm not sure how that dish been named, but I just go with it. It's delicious with a curry paste, and it has sweetness of the palm sugar and then has some veggie in it, so that's what I love. So you can use chicken breast or chicken thigh, you can use pork, however you like, different kinds of meat. And this cooked chop is perfect for 1 pound, and I don't want to overcrowd the pan stir fry searing it. So I think it's ready for one side. I'm going to go ahead and turn it over. You don't have to cook it well done at this point. We just want to sear the chicken. So I get a little bit golden brown cooked. Okay, we're going to let it cook for another minute. Okay, so I have to change another wok because the other one was too overcrowded, so the meat doesn't sear well. So there you are, you can see that it's seared golden brown. I'm going to remove it, set it aside, lower the heat, and this is what we want, golden brown. Okay, I'm going to transfer to the side dish, and the next step we're going to do is to make the seasoning sauce. First off, I'm going to add just half a teaspoon of oil. This is about 3 tablespoons of curry, red curry, and you can find these at any Asian market. And it's a Thai brand, so I love this brand. I'm going to learn how to make it from scratch the next time.
Let me see that again.
Can you see? It's got a red curry paste.
Oh, the focus not grabbing it. I get it.
Fry the curry paste. And it's up to your taste, spiciness. If you like spicier, I think this is sugar than normal. And I like the sauce a little bit loose, so I'm going to add a little bit more chicken stock. As soon as the palm sugar dissolves into the sauce, next thing I'm going to add the kaffir lamb. This is a Thai kaffir lamb leaf. What I did was I chewed part of it, and then the other half, what I did was I took out the stem and I cut it into small pieces. Ooh, you can smell.
Oh, not again.
Green bell pepper. Warning, this dish is spicy. The next step, we're going to add chicken. Fish sauce to flavor the chicken. This is about 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. And you can use any brand. I use the brand. And the last thing you want to add is the gravy. I'm going to add a little bit more chicken stock, so loosen up the juice a little bit and make it less spicy.
Yummy.
You can smell the curry taste. And mix it with the meat. And I love the color, how it's infused with the kaffir lamb leaf. It makes it infuse the aroma and the flavor with meat. I found this at Asian market. This is a Thai kaffir lamb leaf. So you can go to any Asian market. I juvenile so that I can garnish it again. Alright. Now this dish is perfect with steamed rice. You can eat over steamed rice. So I'm gonna let it sit for another 30 seconds. The long green beans, what I got, I bought this from Costco. They have organic green beans, so I love them. They're so convenient to cook. I like to use these ones instead of the fresh one because it go bad long. You have to buy a whole batch, and I didn't want to waste it the whole batch. So I'd rather use the organic frozen green bean, and I can use it for some time. All right, so our dish is finished. I'm going to turn off the fire. Now we're going to transfer this into the serving plate. It looks so delicious. Can't wait to taste it. And for 1 pound, this is definitely can feed 3 to 4 people. And then last but not least, what I do is I garnish the kaffir lamb right on top. Make it beautiful. Okay. Well, here we go. Our final dish, Prik. I love this dish, and I have myself a plate to taste. I'm going to take a bite to make sure taste the food is perfect, and it should be just right with steamed rice. I'm going to take a bite with steamed rice and a piece of chicken and string beans. Here we go. This is so perfect. The spiciness, I put 3 3 tablespoons of the curry paste, just perfect. The string is crunchy. You can taste the aroma infused with the kaffir lamb. This is so good. I hope that you try this and let me know how it turned out. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoy it and give it a try. Share it with friends and family. And if you did try or you will try, let me know how it turned out. Thanks again for watching. Until next time. Bye.